Hey there, welcome to HubSpot Shortcuts, the channel designed to help you master HubSpot quickly and easily. In this video, I want to introduce myself. I'm Garo Aroian. I'm originally from Armenia and I've just moved to Madrid. It's pretty exciting times. I was inspired to make this move because I wanted to get closer to US business scene, to be closer to my business partner and our partners and our team. For that reason, I wanted to be here, share similar cultures, and be part of a dynamic international hub. Madrid is an amazing, big city with a vibrant, welcoming community and a real international vibe that reminds me of Armenia, but offers so much more. I got to attend the Pavilion's New Chapter event during my first week here, and it was incredible to meet so many like-minded great leaders. Madrid is a truly amazing and very welcoming city, and so far everything is going fantastic.
I'm also the co-founder of Elefante RevOps, a top-notch revenue operations agency. We're a team full of certified experts driven by a culture of incredible people who are passionate about delivering excellent service. Our commitment has led us to gather over 83 HubSpot 5-star reviews. What do we bring to our clients? High efficiency, seamless alignment between sales, marketing, customer success, and a HubSpot portal that automates up to 90% of manual tasks. The story of how Elefante RevOps started is quite special. I met Colton by chance. We were both vetted experts on Upwork. I reached out to him there, and from there our first conversation started. We clicked immediately. After a couple of calls and a shared project, we decided to build Elefante RevOps remotely. We were 12,000 miles apart, but trusted each other immensely. No need for a face-to-face meeting to get started. What began as a partnership turned to a success story, the fastest HubSpot partner to become a Diamond partner. We share a hunger to learn and grow, and we knew that working together could take us very far. Whether you are a founder, a RevOps pro, or a HubSpot admin, you're in the right place. My goal here is to share quick, step-by-step tutorials, tips, and best practices to help you unlock HubSpot's full potential, from automations and deal pipelines to custom reports and lead scoring. I want to help you grow faster, smarter, and with more confidence. So hit the subscribe button and join me to this journey to become a HubSpot pro. Let's make HubSpot simple, scalable, and most importantly, fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos.